The Outgoing Webhooks helps you to send incident information from Squadcast into other systems. It could either be an API that you have created or a third-party service. To get started, click on Add Webhook and start adding the webhook details like the webhook name. I am naming it as Telegram integration because I want to push information from Squadcast into a Telegram channel. You can also add a webhook description here and an email where you want to receive failure notifications. Now add the webhook URL. We also support the addition of multiple URL endpoints with post, put, and patch methods. So the incident payloads will be sent to all the URL endpoints that are being added here. You can also configure additional headers, and these headers will be attached to all the webhook calls that are being made based on this configuration. For example, I've added chat ID here. Now click on next. Now choose the webhook type. It could either be a manual webhook or an automatic webhook. In case of manual webhook, it would be triggered from the incident's details page based on your requirements. Now select which team or teams that will have access to this particular webhook. In case of automatic webhook, you can set up the conditions by selecting the events here. Let's say trigger the webhook whenever an incident is triggered, incident is acknowledged, and incident is reassigned. You can also select multiple events from the dropdown based on your requirements. On top of these events, you can also apply filters which would allow the webhook to be triggered only for the events that match the filter. Let's say trigger the webhook for the events mentioned above only if an incident is triggered for service API monitoring and only if the incident carries a tag key critical. Once you have set up your triggers and filters, you can click on next. Now configure the payload based on the webhook type that you have selected in the previous step. You can either make use of the standard Squadcast payload or you can customize the payload either by using the pre-configured templates or starting it from scratch. Once you have configured the payload, click on save. That's it. We have created a webhook. Now you can view logs, edit the webhook, delete or test the webhook from here. In the similar way, you can also create multiple webhooks for different third-party applications that you wish to integrate with Squadcast. In case of any queries, feel free to reach out to support@squadcast.com. Thank you.